In this video, we are going to learn how to add AdSense code in your WordPress header section. You see, to verify my site ownership, they gave an AdSense code snippet. So I have to paste it to my WordPress header section, copy it, then we will log in to our website. After logging in, we have to install a plugin. Click on Add Plugin and search Header Footer. You will see Header Footer Code Manager plugin. Install it and activate it. Then scroll down and click on HFCM, which stands for Header Footer Code Manager, and click on Add New Snippet. So at first, give a snippet name. I'm using AdSense header. Then copy the code and make sure the location is set to header. Then scroll down and paste the code. Now save this. It shows script added successfully. Then go back to Google AdSense. Mark a tick that I have pasted the code. Then click on Verify. Yes, my site is verified. We have successfully added the AdSense code to WordPress header. So this is the video on how to add Google AdSense code in WordPress header. If this video worked for you, please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.